Alright, howdy folks. Just wanted to show you a couple of new products that are coming out in the next couple of days. I know a lot of you kind of like to get the heads up. We already know about the titanium cup and bottle set and the 1100 milliliter titanium bush pot. So coming out over the next few days is going to be the titanium canteen set, which is the canteen. I'm going to get this out of the bag. The cup and the small bowl, or smaller cup, and the lid. Comes in that bag right there. Okay, so we've got the canteen itself. Then it comes with the larger cup, up to 600 milliliters. And then the smaller cup or bowl, or you cook in this or whatever. And it comes with a lid that fits either the small or the large vessels. And it all packs down in this bag right here. What I kind of like about the bag is this front pocket is big enough to store your lid in there. And some other gear. Everything fits down in the pouch. And it'll work on Molly and so on and so forth. And it comes with this little shoulder strap. Also coming out is this titanium spork. And it's got this little hook attachment right here. It's good for lifting things off the fire and manipulating your titanium gear. There's also a titanium bottle top stove coming out. This just folds out to put your pot on top. Oop, got a little overzealous. And screws down onto your fuel bottle. And it looks like it's probably going to be good enough for the bush pot as well. And the titanium stakes. These are a little bit oversized from what you normally see on titanium stakes. They're 3/4 of an inch wide, good and long. So, if you are into titanium, there's plenty of new titanium gear coming out. Things come in this little holding pouch, little kind of a nylon pouch. The spork comes in its little cloth bag. And the stove comes in this little bag. And as you can see, this little puppy folds down pretty small. Get the valve handle out of the way. And that's it. So, that is what's coming out. So if you are into titanium and into Pathfinder gear, there's a whole mess of stuff coming out soon. The new stuff launches on the 26th of February. So, keep an eye out on the website and get it while you can. You know how fast the Pathfinder gear goes. So, talk to y'all later. Just wanted to give you a heads up. Salty Dog out.